Hey friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to convert this simple DC-DC boost converter into buck mode and also the boost mode capability. So for this we have to make some upgrade for this module, and for this first we have to look this module, and I've given the input voltage of 5 volt and boosted up to 38 volts. And if we down the voltage below the 5 volt, but it doesn't give the lower voltage as the input voltage. Its minimum voltage we can get from this 4.7 volts. So for this we have to remove the potentiometer, and also the inductor, which is the main components, we have to modify so that we can uh, get the desired voltage from 1.2 volt to up to 40 volts, and clean the soldering pads so that we can solder the our components. And this is the Schottky diode for converting the high frequency signal to the smooth DC voltage. And after this you can see the inductor, which the circuit shown in the screen. Accordingly you can make your own and adjust like this. And this is the switch pin of the XL6009 IC, and this goes to the positive supply of the this module, which is the VCC input pin of this module. And after this, the second output coil is one side of this coil is connected to the ground input, and one side of this coil is the output, which is connected through the diode earlier we have removed from this PCB. And this is the SS34 Schottky diode, already I have removed from this PCB. Now the anode point of this diode is connected to the inductor wire like this, and the rest of the wire is connected to the output pad of the module. And like this the circuit is almost done, and we have just again solder again the 10 kilo ohm preset. And after this circuit is completed, now we have to test the circuit is working or not. And also make sure the inductor of this toroid core must have the output and the input coil is in opposite direction, otherwise it will not works. And if your conditions not working, then try changing the direction of the coil. And now you can see the input voltage 5 volt, and the output from this module we are getting is 1.1 volt, and this is in the buck mode. And this means the output voltage will always lower the input voltage, and also we are boosting the input voltage from 5 volt to 38 volts. So like this we can adjust the output voltage very precisely from 1.1 volt to 40 volts. And you can see the output voltage is 1.1 volts. And for the load test I have used a 12 volt CPU fan cooler. So the fan is running at 5 volts, not much speed at 12 volts. It's a 12 volt motor fan. Now the output wire is connected to ground and the positive respectively. And after this you can see on the display it's 1 volt. Now I have increasing the voltage by trimming the potentiometer knob, and you can see the fan rotates smoothly at 2.8 volts. And after this we can increase the output voltage varying the potentiometer. Now at this point I have set the output voltage at 12.4 volts, and you can see at the output it's a 12.4 volt, but at the input voltage it's just 4.7 volts. Now this is the boost mode, but at this moment you can see the voltage increasing at the input, and it's up to 24 volts in my case, you can see on the meter. So this is for today, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with friends, and thanks for watching. Till the next video.